Today, let us learn about the properties of soil. So, how can we describe the property of soil? By if it is soft or rough, and how much water is holding, and how much it absorbs water, likewise, isn't it? Yes, today let us learn about the percolation rate of water. What is mean by percolation? Absorbing rate, water absorbing rate. Okay, so for that Pagli and Bojo are doing some activities. Okay, see, they are marking 50 into 50 cm square in two places, one on the floor of the house and another on the kacha road, that is mud road. Okay, so they have taken a bottle of water and poured on two places. So on the floor of the house, the water was as it is standing. Okay, it is not absorbing. But here on the kacha road, the water is soon absorbing soon. Do you know how? Why? Yes. So the floor of the house, it was built by cement and sand like that. Okay, there was no absorption there, but kacha road, mud road, clay absorbs more water. Okay, so we learn what about the percolation rate. Activity 9.4. For this activity, divide yourself into three teams. Name the team A, B, C. You will be finding out how fast the water passes down the soil. You will need a hollow cylinder or a pipe. Ensure each team uses a pipe of same diameter. Some suggestions for obtaining such a pipe are given below. Okay. Yes. So for that we are going to do some activity for that. Activity 9.4. So you can split yourself into three teams. See, if we are in school now, it will be easy. But you are in home now, so just take the required things and do it by yourself. Okay. So first one, get a small tin can and cut off its bottom. If you have a tin can, metal tin can, just take it and cut off the bottom. If PVC pipe is available, cut into 20 cm long and use them. Okay? Yes. At the place where you collect the soil, place the pipe about 2 cm deep in the ground. Clear? Keep the pipe about 2 cm deep in the ground. Okay, we kept. Pour 200 ml water in the pipe slowly. Okay, which as shown in figure. See here. See, they have placed the tin can in the soil about 2 cm and pouring 200 ml water there inside it. Okay. No. Yes. So note the time when you start pouring water. So when you start pouring water, just note down the time. Okay. Then leave it for some time. When all the water has percolated, leaving the pipe empty, note the time again. So after all the water has percolated, if the pipe is looking empty, then you can note down the time again. Be careful not to let the water spill over or run down or outside of the pipe while pouring. Okay, pour water carefully. Now we are going to find the rate of percolation by using one formula. Okay, so the percolation rate equal to amount of water divided by percolation time. See, for example, see, you have started pouring water at 12 o'clock. The water has percolated fully at 12:20. The time duration will be 20 minutes. Okay, the amount of water we have taken is 200. So usually the amount of water can be expressed in ml and time can be expressed in minutes. So here percolation rate equal to amount of water divided by percolation time. So We have inputs like amount of water is 200 ml and percolation time is 20. So rate of percolation equal to 200 divided by 20, that is 10 ml per minute. So per minute the water has percolated 10 ml. Clear? Percolated means absorbing, how soon it is absorbing. Per minute, how many amount of liquid is absorbed. Okay, that is what rate of percolation. Thank you.